It's bittersweet. We're gonna definitely miss the vehicle being here, but we're so excited that we're done with it and it's ready to be shipped out. And I don't want to see this vehicle here again. I want to see it in competition.
Yes! It was blue and it came back green.
That's exciting. It's finally here.
You must have carried it over from car to car to car. Pretty cool.
There it is.
Hey, good morning. Wow. Look
Good morning,
at this.
Mr. Rusnak. How
Hey,
are you?
Bill. How are we doing?
Doing real good.
Hey, Carlos.
It's coming along really well
Oh,
now.
this is absolutely stunning. Gorgeous.
Yeah, it's coming along
So
quite
how
well
long
now.
have we been working on this?
Well, we started in November, and we got the car back. When did we get the car back? Seems like a lifetime ago, but
So anyway,
it's going
since
well.
November of last year.
yeah.
It's gorgeous.
And we had the while the car was out at the body shop, we got the engine we rebuilt the engine, we rebuilt the gearbox, all the suspension was rebuilt, recoated, and we had the interior done.
We also ran all new wire harness. So all the wire harnesses is all brand new.
So this
Yeah,
is...
have a seat.
Wow.
Just like old times, right?
I do all the time. It takes me back to the beginning. Huh? Well, it's 1968 and 1969. We got the franchise in Pasadena,
Yeah.
and we immediately became one of the biggest Porsche dealers. And this is really one of the first models we used to sell.
Yeah.
Yeah, beautiful. Beautifully
So,
done.
Yeah, it was a good choice for this
Yeah.
contest because of this how rare it is.
Well, I know everybody's going to get upset, but it's going in my collection. Because I think I own it, don't I?
You do. You do. It should go in your collection.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Great job, Carlos. Okay.
Thank you very much.
I'll come and see it before you ship it up to
Yeah.
Pebble Beach.
Yeah.